Oh, Godfrey, it's my annual visit to you. Mom's always talked about you. Coming into this earth in 1856. Hello? Who's there? Fuck! What?
Oh, hello, Billy. Back again to visit Godfrey.
Fuck, what? Who the fuck are you? Are you standing on a box?
No! Stop it! Look at me! Look at me in the eyes!
What, you're supposed to be levitating up into the sky or something just because we're in a cemetery?
Could you have a little bit of an imagination? Just a little bit. Are you kidding?
Ugh, I can't believe people would litter in the cemetery. It's so...
My life, just go home! Just go home!
Oh, are you all cleaning up too? That was my fucking special box, dude. Worked really hard on that.
What does that mean to me? Why should I care about your toy missing?
I am going to haunt you for the rest of your dying days.
Here we go again. Oh no, not again. The fuck! Go away! Go away! Go away! So why are you here and why are you stabbing me? You've got me beyond freaked out. My nerves are shattered. I don't know. I feel like shit. I'm a wreck. I'm a wreck.
Well, if you would stop booing for like 1 second, you would know. It was this past April. I went to my favorite mini putt-putt place by myself. I hold the reigning high score there. And my ball went behind the windmill, and I reached in and windmill and windmill and windmill, and I died there, lifeless on the fake green. And up until now, I've been working endlessly on this earth, getting my passion box together, filled with my emotions, because you see, I was quite an ass wipe on earth, and I thought if I emptied my emotions into that box, I would be able to be reborn, but now you lost my box!
It wasn't totally my fault. You can't put that completely on me. The other one bopping around out of the forest in the cemetery.
I'm a ghost.
Well, listen. So what is it you want? What is it you want in this earth?
I want to be reborn. I want to go back. I'm all alone. I'm a people person.
You want to go back to being a person?
Yeah.
Well,
but I'm a little bit of a nudge, so, they don't let just anyone get reborn.
Well, listen, I'm a parapsychologist. I work with some of the major parapsychology universities in the United States and Romania. And I can tell you this is my bailiwick. The ancient book of herbs. The ancient book of herbs says 3 deeds of good and no dread will bring one back from the dead. So you need to do 3 good deeds to help a person like me.
3.
3.
It's quite a small number.
Yes.
I can do 3.
You can do 3. All right. So help me and we can work something out. But you got to remain visible.
Sorry, I get a little insecure about the beak sometimes. But alright, let's do it. You rang?
Oh, there you are again.
What's this? What do you got? What are you doing?
Well, it's somebody said feeding the birds would be a good hobby for me, but I don't know how good of a hobby it is.
I can't believe I'm the one saying this, but super unsanitary.
I have been pooped on.
Yeah, I feel like
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
kind of calling for that.
Yeah.
So what if, check one of the good deeds, I get you a different hobby?
All right. Okay, I'm game.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, let's try it.
Yeah. Okay.
Woodworking?
Yes, our beaked hero strikes for the first time.
Mm-hmm.
Wood, working, hobby,
All right.
go.
I'll give it a shot. I've always fancied myself a carpenter. Ta-da! Look what I did! What are you doing here?
Fashion, Bill. Fashion. We're gonna make you look like $1 million. Deed number 2. Done.
Dee-dum-dee-dum, da-da-dum. Mr. Chef here, working out. Whoa! You come out of nowhere. Well, what do you think?
What is this?
I got a big romantic date tonight, and I want everything to be absolutely...
You're not making a hot dog.
Of course I'm making a hot dog.
Are you 8 years old?
Well, I don't know. I'm not
Did
a...
Mom leave you home?
I'm not a vegetarian. I think this will be fine.
Wait a second.
This... Whoa.
Recipes from my great dead mom.
Really? I see.
Love? Love as the 3rd deed? I couldn't think of anything better.
The special loaf, salt, toes, flour. Okay, all right, I'll try it. You think it'll get me romance?
It's, since I've died, never been an issue.
All right. Okay, well, thank you so much. You'll be the first to know. Well, I have a very special romantic dinner for you. I wanted this to be a very, very unique evening, and it's a spirited recipe. Who wants some head?
Oh my gosh, what is that? What is that?
I put
Stop it.
too much salt. I put too much salt. with you? What's wrong with you? God, what a night. What a horrible dream.
I know, not very.
This is Chelsea McDonald joining us live here in the newsroom.
Are they part of the virus? They stick that in the body, and the body then.
Local Nissan dealer is ready to help you with a tech advanced lineup for the confidence you need.
Oh, fuck! Oh, God, no!
Now we're back, baby. Hello, audience. I don't know if you heard, but I couldn't pass the 3Ds. So now I'm a ghost forever.
No.
Lucky for me, I got you to haunt for the rest of your life. So you can watch out, but you'll never see me coming.
I can't do this. Oh, no, God, no.